This video is going to be about the very interesting thing, that is coffee or tea, caffeine in short. Today we'll discuss with you guys how this caffeine is acting on our brain, heart, and kidneys. Well, so let's get started from the very first point, that how it is going to have an action on our brain. Well,
You guys might have noticed that whenever you take coffee or tea, you feel somehow energetic, fresh, or awakened for a short period of time, means for 2 or 3 hours. What is the reason behind that when you take coffee or tea, it makes you fresh? The very logic behind is that, ATP. ATP, it is responsible to produce energy. It is also known as energy currency of a cell. So when it is broken, it provides energy to you. So when it breaks, it actually breaks into two components, known as adenosine and phosphate. This adenosine, when its concentration increases in the body, so this starts signaling the neurons by binding to the receptor known as adenosine receptor. And when this adenosine binds to the adenosine receptor, then this receptor will stimulate the neuron, and after the stimulation, this neuron will send the signal to the brain that you must go for sleep. So like this, what we do when we feel sleep or tired, we want to study a little bit more or we want to work a little bit more, so we take coffee or a tea. So what this coffee or tea does to our body, very simple. This tea and coffee that you take, it actually contains a constituent known as caffeine. This caffeine is responsible to bind to the receptor of adenosine. Now what happens next is very interesting. Now due to caffeine, adenosine is no more able to bind to the adenosine receptor. So like this, what will happen? Before, adenosine was stimulating the neuron to send the signal of sleep to the brain. Now that sleep signal is no more provided to the brain, due to which you feel for a short period of time a little bit energetic, awakened, or fresh. So that's the logic behind when you take coffee or tea.
we got the concept of the caffeine on the brain. Now, let's come towards the very next portion of the body, that is the heart. Well, caffeine increases the function of the heart, that is regarding the heart rate. And the next very important organ, that is kidneys. And remember, regarding kidneys point of view, caffeine is increasing the urine formation, and from that we'll get the frequent urination. So that's it all. Thank you for watching.